Hello, I'm John Seymour and I'm a consultant and Deputy Medical Director of Frimley Health NHS Foundation Trust. And I wanted to pass on a really important message for our community at this time. Since the pandemic began earlier in 2020, we've seen more than 1,000 patients with COVID attend Wexham Park Hospital alone. What I can tell you is this virus does not discriminate. It can affect any one of us with devastating consequences. While one person may only experience mild symptoms or none at all, any person they go on to infect could become seriously ill or even die. At the moment, what we're seeing is community transmission. This means we continue to spread the virus between friends and within family circles, with more and more people getting sick. While some may need to be seen by the team here at the hospital, others may be well enough to stay at home, although any can suffer with the long-term problems that can follow COVID. Every day I see how our dedicated staff work tirelessly to care for our patients, and I hope that by reaching out to you, I can help explain how important it is that we do everything we can to stop the virus spreading. Thankfully, there are simple things we can all do to help keep ourselves and those around us safe.
Hi, my name is Dr. Lalitha Iyer, and I am the Executive Medical Director for the Frimley Collaborative. I'm also a GP in Slough. Since the pandemic began, we have all changed the way we do things. And I'd like to acknowledge that and thank you for keeping yourselves and your loved ones safe, but wanted to remind you that this isn't quite over yet. Many of you would have heard about the government reminders on hands, face, space. And these are 3 easy rules that we can all follow to reduce the risk of catching COVID infections or passing it on to our loved ones. It is vital to remember to wash your hands with soap and water for a minimum of 20 seconds as often as you can. If this is not possible, please use hand sanitizer. It is mandatory to wear face coverings in shops and public spaces to protect yourselves and others, and in indoor settings where social distancing is not possible. Please do remember to keep your distance from people who do not live with you and stay at least 2 meters apart from them. If this is not possible, then please stay at least a meter away with additional precautions such as face coverings. If you are in Tier 4, mixing between households is not advised. You must not meet socially indoors with friends or family unless they are part of your household or your support bubble. And outdoors, you can only meet one person from another household. Household just means people who live or sleep with you in the same house. Your relatives, even close ones like brothers and sisters who live in a different house, are to be considered members outside your household, and please do not meet them indoors. Coronavirus symptoms are real and can be deadly and are significantly impacting us now. Please don't risk yourself, your family, or your community by avoiding these guidelines. If you or anyone who you live with or members of your support bubble have any of the following symptoms: a high temperature that is above 37.8 degrees, a new continuous cough, a change or loss of taste or smell, you mustn't leave your home other than to get tested. Please stay self-isolating until you get your result. If you test positive, you must self-isolate for 10 days. If, on the other hand, someone you live with or someone in your support bubble has tested positive, or you have been contacted by the track and trace team, please do self-isolate for the full 10 days, as you could get symptoms within that period even if your test is negative. You can find out how to get a test by visiting the nhs.uk website. I also wanted to remind you that your local GP service and your NHS is still here for you. Please do use 111 first for any urgent help you need other than life-threatening emergencies. Let's all work together to control the spread of this infection in the community as much as we can and keep ourselves, our families, and our communities safe. Thank you.